This video is going to show you how to use the Make a Movie feature within BrainPOP to make a BrainPOP style movie on a topic of your choice. Once you are in your Clever portal, click on BrainPOP. When BrainPOP opens, you can search for the topic that you would like to make the movie on. Make a Movie invites students and teachers to create their own BrainPOP style movie. In the search box, type in the topic that you want to use for making your movie. Once you find the topic, click it, and then click on Make a Movie. BrainPOP starts off by giving you two choices most of the time. It is either to write a letter in the BrainPOP style or answer a letter that is already created for you. If you have been creating previous movies, you might get a choice to edit the latest movie you have just created. Once you have decided whether you want to answer a letter or write a new letter, click, and you get multiple choices of a letter you can choose from, or you can write your own letter. To edit your letter, click on Scene 1 in the timeline at the top. You can add a background to your letter. You can click on Write Letter and type your question inside or your letter inside this box. When you are done typing your question or letter, click Done. And you get to see the question in a letter format. You can also click on Add Sound and use either a female or male voice to read your letter, or you can record your own voice reading the letter. To build your movie, you have to click on the next frame, and you can start building it by dragging and dropping topic-related images and animated loops into the scene, as well as add backgrounds. Each of the scenes have handles on them. You can use the handles to resize your image. If you add another image to your scene, you can choose to put it in front or behind by clicking on the pencil tool. You can also delete it by clicking on the trash can. If you want to search for more images, you can click in the search bar to find more images related to your movie. Any image that you have added to your scene can be clicked and scaled or rotated. You can also annotate your movie by adding text. You can resize your text tool by using the handles. You can move it to a position that you like. You have other tools like shapes, arrows, lines, speech bubble, thought bubbles that you can add to your movie. These can also be resized just like any other object that you're adding in your movie. Text boxes can be added inside your thought or speech bubble or shapes. You have drawing tools that can also be used in your frame. Clicking Save as you work through your movie is always a good idea. You can continue building your movie by clicking on the next frame. And you can continue to add text or add sound by using the computer voice. You can type your information here and have the computer voice read it, or you can record your own voice reading the text that you want displayed. BrainPOP allows you to continue working in this manner on the timeline up to 20 frames. You can also toggle the frames on the timeline and move the sequence of your movie. When you are done creating your movie, if you want to preview it, you can click the preview button. And it takes you through the movie that you just created. Saving your movie should be something you do all the time. At any point, if you want to stop working on your movie and come back to it later, once you are in your BrainPOP, if you click My Movies up on the top left, every movie you have created will be in there. You can go back to any of these movies and continue working on them. So this is how you can use the Make a Movie feature in BrainPOP to create your own BrainPOP style movies.